What's going on, guys? Riley here. Today is day 3 of wrapping the Hellcat. So already off to a quick start again this morning. Gotta get stuff done. Gonna try to finish the car today. Hopefully we can do it. As you see right now, Faison and Travis are putting on the rear bumper and pull what? We're just gonna pull some backing paper off this vinyl right quick. And yeah, as you can see, no time is being wasted today. However, yesterday when we had the little mishap with this this quarter panel, we had to replace it. We needed to order more material. So we ordered some more material, had it overnight shipped here, and this is what they sent. I don't even know what this is, but that's not the same color. Yeah, maybe it is the same on camera, who knows. But we are going to take a trip to downtown Houston today to go to the wrap shop and exchange that for the correct color. And like I said, we're gonna try to finish the car today. So, should be an exciting day. Let's get started. Road trip time.
Yay.
I figured we'd take a little pit stop here to Lamborghini Houston, which has 2 Dodge Demons outside. So let's go check those out and see what else they have.
OP640.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff here. Woo. All right, so check it out. They got a yellow one and a red one. So I guess these are both for sale at Lamborghini Houston. No idea how many miles or prices or anything like that. But here's a window sticker. This one is $88,000 MSRP. It makes you wonder how much they're gonna mark it up.
Probably 100 grand.
It's probably 100-ish somewhere. But yeah, 315 tires in the front, I believe. Yep, there it is, 315 in the front.
What the?
And the giant ass air grabber, I think is what they call it. I mean, these things have so much road presence, dude.
I like the red.
You like the red? Yeah.
Not black, but anyway.
Yeah, that's true. I like those wheels a lot.
I like the demon stitching on the seat.
Yep, demon stitching on the seat. Both of these are black leather. Oh, but that McLaren though. That McLaren though.
Baby blue.
These things are so nice. Talked about it in a previous video. I think I would rather have one of these than an Urcon.
Look at the carbon fiber 8 pillars.
Look from here. You said carbon fiber? Oh yeah, on the inside. That's a really cool color. But got to keep going back to the Demons because, I mean, 2 Dodge Demons in the same place. Got some wide body fender flares on there. These are really cool. Also, just driving through Porsche, they have the new Panamera wagon here. Just wanted to stop by and check it out. That's interesting to say the least.
I like it.
I don't like the color.
Really?
I don't like
it's like a Nardo gray color.
Well, I don't like the wheels.
Oh yeah.
The wheels the same color as the car. I don't know. If the wheels were black or chrome, I think I would be okay with it. But
black.
I don't know.
Black.
It's different, that's for sure. It's different than the normal Panamera.
I like it.
All right, victory. We found the right color. Wasn't much really to see in there, but Feller's world's largest wrap supply company. That looks a little bit better than the all gold. Also, as we were on the freeway, Zach just randomly pulled up behind us in his Tundra. Hi, Zach.
Hi, guys.
Are you enjoying your Tuesday?
Yeah.
Siri! You dumb Siri!
Go.
You ever done a burnout, Siri?
That doesn't sound good.
No!
Okay, so we are back from lunch, back from getting the correct wrap color, checking on the rear bumper progress. Look at that! Travis is making quick work out of it. Ain't no problem for him. And is that funny? But there you can get a brief little view of what it looks like with some color finally here on the back bumper. And man, it's coming together quite well. What do you think?
Not bad.
Not bad. Zach? You didn't like the wrap at first.
I didn't.
What do you think? Is it any better?
It's a lot better. And I really like the black wheels, the satin black. And the wheels are very concave.
In the rear.
Let's get a shot of these rear wheels.
In the rear. Yeah, a lot of you have been talking about the wheels. You need to get different wheels or whatever. These wheels are way more concave than the Brass Monkeys were. I don't know how well it shows up on camera. It doesn't show up on camera.
More concave than
But they are. Now the front ones, no, they are not concave, but that's because there's these massive 6-piston Brembo brakes right there, so you gotta have enough room to clear those. Also, we've had 3 subscribers stop in today, and all 3 of them have said the same thing. Wow, this looks a lot better in person. So it's really hard to pick up, I guess, all the color or whatever on camera.
There's just too much color shift. It's every angle you stand by the car.
There's a lot going on camera. Like right now, I'm looking at it through the GoPro screen. It looks so different than it does in person. So Travis has finished up the rear bumper. Just gonna go ahead and post-heat it now. And we also have a special guest over here, Mr. Yankee Dewey. What's up? What's up, Yankee Dewey? So if you guys were watching my video probably 2 weeks ago, his Mustang out here, which I'll show you, was also wrapped by Mob Auto Boutique, and he went for an even crazier wrap than I did. I don't know the name of this wrap. However, as you can see, it's blue camo. And honestly, when I saw it for the very first time, just like one little panel was done, I was like, I don't know how I feel about it. But seeing the car completed with all of the black accents and the wheels and just everything, how it all ties in together, I think it looks absolutely fantastic. So good job to Dewey on his brainstorming there. And you know, that's one thing about vinyl wraps is they look totally different, you know, while they're in progress as compared to when they are finally done. And this is a great example of that, because the final product, personally, I think it's badass. But yeah, go give Yankee Dewey a follow on YouTube if you want to see more of this thing. He's got a whole bunch of stuff done to it. He's pretty much making it a track car, and I think he might be boosting it sometime in the near future. So pretty cool. All right, it is now about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Not much has really changed. Today has been kind of just a chill day. We knocked out the rear bumper. Hasn't been chill for Travis. He's been doing all the work today. But he knocked out the rear bumper, and now he's doing the inlays here on the bottom of the front bumper. Now, I asked earlier, is it even possible to do this front bumper in one piece? And they said that yes, technically it's possible, but it would be close to impossible, and it would also probably peel up and start pulling away as time goes on. So doing these inlays, yes, there are some very tiny seams. If you like stand right here and look at it, but from far away you'd have no clue. But basically that increases the longevity of the wrap. So it's just kind of the price you pay. But Travis is doing a killer job on that. So we just have to knock that out. And then we have the 2 side mirrors, which we need to wrap satin black. But other than that, the wrap will be completely finished. So basically the wrap will be done tonight. However, we're not gonna get to finally assemble everything until tomorrow. So the next video that you guys see will be the final wrap reveal video. I'm gonna do some kind of cinematic video with rolling shots and all kinds of fun stuff. So that'll be really cool, but as far as, you know, showing you a finished product tonight, probably not gonna happen, but we're just doing what we can. We'll walk in here and see what Faison's doing. Oh, he's reading my comments from day 2's video. How are they looking?
So far, I mean, a lot of people are liking it.
Well, that's better than yesterday.
People are changing their minds.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, you got to see. Like, there's this guy. Where is it? When you said that you chose those rims to go with the wrap, you weren't lying. It looks perfect together.
Yeah.
And then there's this one. I thought you had lost your mind at first. LOL, it was growing on me. It sort of has that old-timey feel when the green hits. Nice work, Riley.
I think that's kind of how this wrap is. Pretty much everybody in this room at first was like, eh. And as time grew on, okay, hush. As time grew on, I think it's grown on everybody here. And like I said a little bit earlier in the video, a few people have came in here and said, wow, this looks a lot better in person. All right, the last piece of the puzzle is the front bumper. Just a heads up for all you DIYers at home, if you decide to wrap your car on your own, first off, good luck. Second off, the front bumper on a Challenger, yeah, not very fun to wrap, but it's coming along pretty nicely, wouldn't you say?
It's not bad.
Not bad?
Yeah, it's taking some work, but Travis is knocking out most of it. I'm just here sitting here looking pretty.
Somewhat.
Yes.
This is the hardest bumper you've done?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah, it beats Kyle's.
Well, that's impressive. I've got the most difficult front bumper to work on, so cool. Also, it's about sunset right now, and oh my goodness, it really is golden hour. Whoa, holy gold. That is gold. But this side's green. It's just crazy how much this thing color shifts. Really, Zach, again?
Sorry. I clocked out at 6. Faison's not paying me now.
Uh-huh. All right, guys, it's about 7:15 now. I think we're gonna probably call it for today. So I'll give you one last look at the car. The next video you guys see will be the full reveal video. It'll be all cinematic and all cool. This thing will be completely done. So here's your last look. Bumper is obviously still needs to be trimmed out. A good majority of it is completed. And there's your last look at it. So we will see you guys in the next video. I don't know if it'll be tomorrow or the day after. Might take a little bit of time to edit the actual reveal video, but stay tuned for it. Should look pretty cool. And yeah, pretty cool seeing a couple demons today at the Lamborghini dealership. Can't talk. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, go subscribe to Mob Auto Boutique on Instagram, YouTube, all the good stuff. Definitely hit them up if you're in need of any wraps.
Ladies, slide in the DM.
Ladies, slide in the DMs. This man right here is single. Yeah. But in all seriousness, they've definitely done an outstanding job on this car. I mean, it has come out better than I ever could have imagined it to. I know a lot of you are like me, very hesitant at first. I was kind of like, eh, and then saw it on the car and I was like, oh yeah. So it'll be cool. Yeah, not too bad for a little hole in the wall shop. Saw that one in the comments too. But thank you guys for watching the video. We'll see y'all in the next one. Take it easy.